Hello children, how are you? Now, today we will learn how to enlarging an asymmetrical freehand drawing. On the paper, draw a rectangle touching the figure given for the freehand on all four sides. Draw a rectangle of the same size on your paper a little bit to the left and the bottom. Now, as shown in the diagram, draw the diagonal joining the bottom left corner of the rectangle to its top right corner and produce it. Extended the vertical line on the left upward and the horizontal line at the bottom towards the right side. Mark the required breadth of the rectangle on the horizontal line at the bottom as per the size to which the drawing to be enlarged on the paper. See diagram on number page 4. You will get a rectangle proportionately larger than the original. Draw a vertical and horizontal line passing through the center of the rectangle. These line will divide the rectangle into equal parts. If you think that these parts are too big, draw two more horizontal lines dividing them further into equal parts. This will divide the rectangle into equal parts. Start the drawing from the topmost rectangle on the left. Observe that particular part of the figure in the corresponding part of the similar rectangle on the original plate and draw it in large size. In this way, the whole figure drawing all parts one by one. While drawing the respective part of the figure in each division, remember that it will but one part of the whole figure. In this way, you can draw from freehand plates of the symmetrical and asymmetrical freehand drawing. After that, you will color the diagram or freehand drawing with black color. This way, you will complete your full freehand drawing. Thank you.